Ndewonu Igbo ndị ọma ndị nke m, kedu ka unu mere? Hello my amazing Igbo language learners, how are you all doing? Okwu Igbo nke taa bụ akwụkwọ. Akwụkwọ. Our Igbo word for today is akwụkwọ. And akwụkwọ in English means book. Book or paper. Book or paper. Literature, textbooks, any kind of paper book is akwụkwọ. Paper is akwụkwọ. Akwụkwọ is book in English. Ka anyị fụọ ọmụmatụ iji akwụkwọ emebe ahịrịokwu. Akpa akwụkwọ. Lota na ụnyaa anyị lere anya n'okwu a na-akpọ akpa. Remember yesterday we looked at the word called akpa in Igbo language. Akpa means bag. So today we are making sentence with akpa and akwụkwọ. Akpa akwụkwọ, that is bag of books or bag of papers. Usually some people will also call it school bag because school in Igbo language is known as ụlọ akwụkwọ. Because in the school we learn about books. We learn. Learning is in Igbo language is also known as akwụkwọ in some contexts. So I hope you've learned something new today. Please don't forget to practice very simple sentences around with those of your loved ones that are fluent in Igbo language. That is the best way to learn. See you again tomorrow. Kemesia.